Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Airtable for project databases easy tutorial step by step clearly. In the search bar, type Airtable and press enter. Look for the official Airtable website in the search results and click on it. Once the page loads, locate the sign up for free button. Click on the button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address and click on Continue. Next, check your inbox for a verification email from Airtable. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Airtable website. Now, you'll need to set up a password for your account. Create a secure password and confirm it as instructed. After successfully setting your password, click on Create Account. You may be asked a few questions about how you plan to use Airtable. Answer these questions to help customize your experience. Once completed, you will enter your Airtable workspace. To create a project database, click on Start from Scratch or choose a template. Name your new project database according to your specific needs. After naming your database, start adding your project fields. You can customize field types based on the information you want to track. Fill in sample data to see how it looks in your database. Once you are satisfied, explore the various views and features Airtable offers. To access the subscription options, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the subscription plans available. Choose the plan that best suits your project needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. After completing your payment, your subscription will be activated. Now you are ready to use Airtable for your project databases. Explore the platform to maximize its potential for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.